First activity of the day. Let's take our car in for a checkup. Hopefully they can fix it.
Fingers crossed.
The first guy said it could be the AC, and he said it could cost up to £1,000. Yay. That's fun. Where is our Uber? Like your way of thinking. What did you say earlier about parking?
Leave it here overnight so we don't have to go parking.
Yeah, parking's so expensive in the city. Have it as long as you need.
Fix it anyway, so we might as well take advantage of the parking. It's a Tesla! Oh my god! Cool! How do I get in? No! Oh wow! How does this work?
So someone's never rode in a Tesla before. She couldn't get in.
Couldn't get out.
She couldn't get out. How do I get in? How do I get out? Cool car, isn't it?
It is cool.
It is awesome.
Very cool.
Oh my god.
Comfy, smooth, so much light. It's just all windows.
It's awesome. How do I get in? We're going to do a shopping montage in 3, 2, 1. Well, we just got our quote. It's not that bad. Only 2,000.
2,000.
Great. Last day of the trip. We get an air compressor changed for £2,000. Oi, oi, oi.
Breaking news. Couple left gobsmacked over the price of their repairs. Here's what the public has had to say.
What? What? I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
I've never been on live television before. I don't watch the news because I'm a kid
You say you need a cocktail to make you feel better?
I do.
I'll take one too. Need a beer.
A good one. Cheers.
Cheers to spending £2,000 on a car repair.
How much further?
1 minute.
1 minute?
12 minutes.
12 minutes?
12.
Big bump. We are at the art gallery. I do what everyone's doing. Oh, water. Water. It is kind of creepy. And look, it's all on the floor so you can walk all over it. Oh, spooky, isn't it?
Ba 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 na na.
You are what you eat. fish fence. Let's go to face it. Happy glass. Happy, 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 happy. On the way to go boat. Go boat. Captain French, what way are we going? Alright.
The way the sea
All
takes
this.
us.
Turn in.
Oh, there's.
Yoo-hoo. Good job. We've got our snacks for the road.
Captain deserves a good old snack.
Donuts. Oh yes.
Oh, yeah.
Sailing instead of driving. This is lovely. Captain. Eating donuts. He's got his chicken snacks. Duckies! Oh boy!
Ahoy.
Boy!
Ahoy.
Ahoy, matey! How was your boat riding? Captain,
Yes, ahoy.
how was your road trip?
Well, we're on land safely, so what can I say?
We didn't crash into
I'm
iceberg.
a professional boater.
It's very good.
Yes.
Steering left and right.
Yes,
and
and stopping.
dodging boats and
yeah.
rowers. There was a lot of hazards on the water.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Was
that was probably
there?
the main hazard, to be honest, but
I had a relaxing time.
I didn't. Our boat doesn't go in a straight line. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
I was eating crackers and strawberries, ginger beer. It was lovely.
Hero call.
You forgot to press record like always.